how's everybody doing? How you guys doing today? How is everyone doing? And happy lovely Sunday to every one of you out there, with much love from me. So guys, today we are going to be doing smoothie. We're going to be preparing smoothie. So I just want you guys to come with me to see how I'm going to prepare this lovely smoothie. So guys, let's go there. Let's get started, guys. We have our ingredients, everything here. You can see that these are the ingredients we are going to use. So all I just need now is to peel everything. I'll be peeling them. So these are all the ingredients we're going to be using for our smoothie. These are all the ingredients, guys. These are all the ingredients we're going to be using. I'll be using this to blend it. So that's it, guys. That's it for now. So I'm about to peel them. So guys, this is it. We have it prepared already. So I'll just take the bowl and cut it inside the bowl. We're going to be using milk also, and we're going to be adding condensed milk. So I'll just go ahead and cut it. To blend it, guys. So guys, we just finished blending our smoothie. You can see that there's a big portion of smoothie. So now we just go ahead and turn that inside my cup. I will just have that inside my cup. You can see that. And see that it looked nice. So I'll just go ahead, guys, and see that. Hey guys, so that is the end of our video. You can see how lovely it is. So if you like this video, if you find this video interesting, please leave your comments below. leave your comment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and share my video. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.